This is Back 204. Me and my brother is hunting. My brother's right there. He's coming from back there from the woods. And I just got done shooting this woodcock. I believe it's a woodcock. Them were the birds I shot last time. I thought it was a thrasher, but my neighbor said it was a woodcock. Where I live, you can eat woodcocks. But it has to be big enough, and this one's pretty big. It's got a big breast. And I shot it with the Crossman Phantom, .117 caliber, using Crossman Premier hollow point pellet. And I shot him. It's a big old hole. You can see it. It's that big old hole. It just keeps going, and it came out. Right there. It's a pretty big hole, but the feathers are covering half the hole. And I'll show you the wingspan. Well, that's a pretty big bird. Decent size. Bigger than a robin. And this one has some big old back feathers. Usually they're like right there, and his is there. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, bye.